In this video, we will learn how. Providing excellent customer service is crucial in dropshipping to build customer loyalty, drive repeat purchases, and maintain a positive reputation. Why to provide excellent customer service? Customer satisfaction. Exceptional customer service ensures that your customers are satisfied with their shopping experience, leading to positive reviews, recommendations, and increased customer loyalty. Repeat business. Happy customers are more likely to become repeat customers, driving recurring sales and contributing to the long-term success of your dropshipping business. Brand reputation. Positive customer experiences contribute to a strong brand reputation. Word-of-mouth recommendations and positive online reviews can attract new customers and set you apart from competitors. Conflict resolution. Effective customer service allows you to address and resolve any issues or concerns promptly, minimizing the impact on customer satisfaction and retention. How to provide excellent customer service. Prompt and clear communication. Respond to customer inquiries and concerns in a timely manner. Provide clear and concise answers, addressing their questions or issues effectively. Be accessible. Offer multiple communication channels such as email, live chat, or phone support to accommodate different customer preferences. Ensure that the contact information is readily available on your website and marketplace listings. Personalize interactions. Treat each customer as an individual by using their name in communications and showing empathy and understanding. Personalized interactions can help foster a positive customer relationship. Set clear expectations. Provide accurate and detailed information about product availability, shipping times, and return policies. Transparency helps manage customer expectations and reduces the likelihood of disputes or misunderstandings. Efficient order processing. Process customer orders promptly and provide regular updates on the status of their shipments. Offer tracking information and proactively communicate any delays or issues that may arise. Handle returns and refunds professionally. Establish clear return and refund policies and ensure a streamlined process for handling returns. Make it easy for customers to initiate returns and provide a prompt refund or replacement when necessary. Monitor customer feedback. Regularly check customer reviews, ratings, and feedback across various platforms. Address any negative feedback promptly and professionally, seeking resolutions and demonstrating your commitment to customer satisfaction. Continuous improvement. Regularly evaluate your customer service processes and collect feedback from customers. Identify areas for improvement and implement necessary changes to enhance the customer experience. Train and empower your customer service team. If you have a dedicated customer service team, provide them with comprehensive training on your products, policies, and communication skills. Empower them to make decisions and resolve issues independently. By prioritizing excellent customer service, you can foster customer loyalty, build a positive brand reputation, and differentiate yourself in the competitive dropshipping market. Invest in customer satisfaction, and your business will thrive through positive word of mouth and repeat business.